Hello, today I'll show you inventory management system in Access database system. So at first you need to open this Access database system. Once you open, then it will show this inventory management login option. Here you need to input user ID, password, location. Without password, user ID, and location, you cannot log in with it. At first we need to input here. So I just inputted user ID, password, and the location is mine. Then once you press login, then it will log in to this inventory management main option. Here is advanced search option, Mainboard, checkout, new inventory, transfer, setting page, report, and exit button. Let's see, I'll explain one by one. This search, you can search by active or discontinued or all. In this drop down you can just select, then input your search option. Then after that, once you press view, then it will show your all of these inventories. So I haven't searched anything. We need to search by ID wise. So once I input a ID, then it's view these items. So if I input here 2, then it will shows there is nothing available. 1003 active is only 1. If I input here all, then it will show all of this option. Okay, so I just there is a checkout option. So if you want to check out this, so how much quantity, input your notes, and here is the details. And once you press checkout, then it will be checked out. And here is the transactions, how much you are checking out from here, these items. Then this transaction item will be shown here. So let's go in another option. Here is Mainboard. Once you press Mainboard, and this inventory management will show here all of these options, all of these data in one dashboard. If you want to update this data or delete this data, you can also do it. Let's see how do you do that. Just select your item code, then it will show another pop-up box. This pop-up box, you can change any data from here, and after changing, just press save. Then this data will be saved into our Access database software. And if you want to duplicate this data, then just press duplicate. If you want to delete this item SKU with these details, then just press delete. If you want to see these transactions, you can also see from your transactions. If you want to print by barcode wise, then just select print barcode. Select your items, then print barcode, then it will be printed. Let's see another option. Then I will show you another advanced level in this file. Here is inventory transactions. All of this transaction will be shows here. Here is the report page. Report page will be show here inventory by location, inventory by category, inventory, total inventory checked out, inventory reported list, checked out by user. This is the report section. And this is for settings. You can set location, sublocation, add or edit user. You can add new user and give them a permission, user or admin or inventory administrator or inventory or user. If you want to update this, select an option, then update your new data, then press save and close. You will see category setting, receptions, email. You can send email from here. Here you will be find 4 methods email option, CDO, ADO, and another Outlook option. Here is email setting page. Email notification page. You can set your SMPT server, port, sender email, sender password, SSL. If you want to use SSL, then just tick mark it, and if you do not want to SSL it, then just uncheck it. Sender title, then press save. Okay, and here is checkout page. You can scan barcode and check out any item. Here is transfer button. If you want to transfer anything, then you can transfer this one inventory to another using scan item barcode. Let's go inventory reports. You can select any option. I mean all DICT. I just input here three locations. You can add always from setting page. Category, you can show this report by category wise. Here is start date, in date, active or discontinued. Let's see. Once you press preview, then it will show this report like this system, and it's so pretty, looks like as a software. I can inventory by category, total inventory checked out. I mean report section. This will be your report section. Now I want to show another option here, checkout option. I can directly check out anything from a scan barcode. Here new inventory page, you can add quantity minus or plus, nil out. I mean all of these functionalities are available here and fully dynamic software. Just closing it. Here is transfer, your setting page. I mean this is the direct page from dashboard. This is report section and exists database. So I think this inventory management should be perfect for any inventory manager or accountant. If you need this, you can contact with me, and if need further modification on it, I can be done it within with 100% accuracy. And if you want a new one with your new requirements, I can also create. I can also develop new template using VB6 programs, program codings. And if you want to add modification in this existing database software, then also I can be developed this database software for it. Okay, thank you for watching this video.